if you live in an area that doesn't have any rocks, go to the dollar store, Dollar General, Dollar Tree, whatever you got. Get some of these random rocks, dirt cheap, and throw them in your tumbler. Have you ever gone to the dollar store, or excuse me, $1.25 store and seen these mixed random rocks? They're just like, look like junk rocks, and thought, I wonder if I can tumble these. Well, today we're going to try that, well, over several weeks, and see if we can bring them to a polish. So let's go. Rock on, tumble on. Woo! Let's open these up and see what we got. I'm thinking probably a bunch of, oh, these really are random rocks. Oh my gosh. Yeah, wow. Lots of quartz. Let's see, let's take these out. Oh, look at that. I think some jaspers perhaps in here. I'm not sure. Definitely, oh, look at this. What the heck are these? That's not obsidian, is it? Basalt? Probably basalt. Yeah, got a bunch of that. Oh my gosh, truly. Wow, definitely quartz. Holy cow. I don't know what that is. I'm really curious to try to polish these though. No idea what the Mohs scale is on most of this stuff. We're gonna just go for it. All right, we're gonna do 2/3 full. Yep, getting a good assortment there. We got stage 1, 60/90 grit. I'm going to do 3 scoops just because. Fill it up till it's just below the top of the rocks. I can't think of any clever names. It is what it is. Random store. All right, random store. We'll see you in a week. Woohoo! Yeah! Ooh. Interesting. Oh, wow. Ooh, look at that. From the dollar store. Who would have thought? Okay, here we go. Ooh. Do this. You can see that. Here, this is a really good example. But they're not perfectly smooth. So if you want them perfectly smooth, stage 1 is definitely the stage that you want to keep it in until it's the way you would like them. I think I'm going to have to tumble these for another week. There was some volume lost, but you know, we can put up with some banging around in there. Ooh, nice. Not bad for $1.25 store. Well, they're damp, but that's okay. Look at this. Okay, so we got something like this. It's obviously, I don't know that that will ever smooth out. We got another one like this, kind of in the basalt, and a little bit of quartz in it. You can see that, kind of dimpled. This one's smoother. That one's looking good, except for that, but I'm okay with that. I'm not one of those that has to have them super perfect. Yep, okay. Ooh, look at this, like a rose quartz. You can see the dimpling a bit. Oh, here we go. Here we've got a quartz here. Ooh, you might be able to see through that. That might be an agate, actually. Oh, nice. Thanks, dollar store. I don't know. I'm thinking they need to go in again. Yep, these need to go in again. All right, let's see what we got going here. I must say there is quite a nice variety of rocks in here for being from the dollar store. I'm just going to call it the dollar store. I like that green one, of course. Ooh, look it. Okay, so we got something like this. Looks like it's got some jasper in it. And it's kind of rough there. There's parts of it that feel kind of smooth. Oh, we got this quartz. That one's nice. Another one. This one's rough though. Look at this one. Oh, that one might be an agate. What do you think? Ooh, chalcedony. Agate, same thing. Oh, look at this one. Quartz, probably. Still, it's beautiful. We got pink. What's this? Pink feldspar? That's what I'm thinking. Huh. That's kind of cool. These are beautiful. I'd love to move them on to stage 2, but I just really think they need to smooth out some more. So, okay, let's load them up. The random rocks all dried off. They're mostly still a little damp, but you can tell the difference between the ones that are still pretty darn rough. You know, we've got some pits and some crevices and some of these. I kind of pulled these to side. And we've got some others that are actually smoother. Like, where was that good one? This one is looking pretty darn good. And this one is looking pretty darn good. And this one is looking pretty darn good. And on and on and on. Look, they're getting smooth. Oh my gosh. So I think that I'm going to throw them in one more time, one more week in stage 1 and see how they turn out. Oh, look at that. Ooh, let's dry them off and check them out. Woo! Yeah. Quartz. That's looking pretty smooth. There's a little bit of a crack there, but I don't care. Do you? Do you? Here's another one. Ooh, that one's beautiful. Oh, wow. So all of these white ones are turning out well. Some more. Some black ones. Let's dry that off. Look, it's looking good. Ooh, I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Wow. Here, dry it off some more. Come on, work with me here, towel. There we go. See, look how smooth that is. Okay, here's an example of one. I think I showed it last time. It's really got some cracks in it. But you know what? Character. I know a lot of people actually prefer their rocks with character. Only thing you have to just be careful that, you know, the grits and focus. The grits don't stay stuck in rocks like that when you take them on to the next stages. Like this is another one like that. You just kind of have to go with it though. That one's beautiful. Oh, I think that I'm just going to move these on to stage 2. I think they're ready. Yeah, let's move our random rocks to stage 2. Pockmarked and all. They have smoothed out a lot. And look at these little green jaspers, unfortunately. They're just little tiny little chips. Aw, bummer. Some red, some pink-ish. There's another one. See? Yeah. Oh, gosh, there's a whole bunch. Shoot, I don't remember what size these were. Obviously, they were small, but... Anywho, oh my gosh. Yep, time to move them on. Oh, looking good. Let's take them in. Woo! Oh, wow. Look at this. I gotta say, these are looking great. Holy mackerel. Stage 2 did its job. Look at that. Oh my goodness. See? It's so smooth. Can you see that? Look! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Hey, why is that granite piece in there? I think that's granite. Oh, well, it's smooth actually. Oh, wow, look! Looking good. Okay, there's a few pieces that are, you know, got a little bit of divots and cracks and things like that. Here's that one again. But I'm okay with that. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, I'm just going to cut to the chase. We're going to stage 3. Woo! Yeah! These have actually been tumbling for 2 weeks again. I got so busy. Oh my gosh. Ah! Sheesh. Ooh, gosh, that looks really good. Gosh, look at those colors. Very nice. Oh, wow. Very nice. Have a look. Oh, look. They're so smooth. Wow. There is absolutely no roughness to this at all. You can see that. Wow. All of these are really nice. Okay, here's the one that was rougher. It still has some holes in it, pits, a few cracks. That's all right. I don't mind. This one looks like it's real rough, but actually that's really smooth. Wow. So nice. Got some quartz granite here. Look at that. Oh, so nice. Yeah, I think they're all consistently, here's another quartz. Smooth, smooth, smooth. jasper. Very, very smooth. There is not any roughness to any of these. Wow. That is so cool. On to stage 4. Yeah! Add the ceramic media back in. Let's rinse them off some more, take them in and see if they're done or need to polish for another week. Oh my gosh, look at the shine on these rocks. Holy mackerel. Look! Look at that. Almost looks like obsidian. Oh, there's some flinting, some kind of flash in there. Let me see a little bit of wet. Here, let me get it off. Let me dry it off a little bit more. Oh my, yes. Oh, jasper, quartz. We have some basalt. Man, that is incredible. Oh, look at this. Look at that flash in there. Do you see that? There's gold from the dollar store. No, I'm just kidding. Let's have a closer look at the variety of rocks that you can get for $1 or $2, depending on how many bags you buy. Look at that beautiful red and the honey yellow and the quartz and the beautiful black rocks that are underrated. What's this? This looks almost like a granite type rock. Ooh, that's a beauty. Look at that. I would say that that is granite. Oh my gosh. Now that's a stunner. Wow. There was another one in here. Actually, there's more than... Look. Oh, absolutely. Oh my gosh, it looks like chocolate. Like I look at something. I want to eat it. Oh, this is the one. Look at that. I'd almost say this is a mushroom rhyolite, but I'm not seeing the orbs, the round part. So maybe it's just rhyolite. Maybe it's a piece of candy that you can eat. Oh, this one looks like one you'd find along the coast, Central California here. Wow, a quartz with some, I'm going to guess that's jasper in there. Woo! If you live in an area that doesn't have any rocks, go to the dollar store, Dollar General, Dollar Tree, whatever you got, get some of these random rocks, dirt cheap, and throw them in your tumbler, and there you go. Yes, you can polish random rocks in your rock tumbler. Yahoo! Gorgeous!